Hello everyone, this is our electric Walkie counterbalance stacker, a professional solution for warehouse, factory, and logistics material handling. It includes for models CPDW0930, CPDW0930Li, CPDW1030, and CPDW1230. Rated load capacity ranges from 900 kilograms to 1,200 kilograms, load center 500 millimeters. All models adopt electric power and walk-behind operation mode. Stable structure, easy control, suitable for long time working. Max lifting height reaches 3,000 millimeters, extended mast height up to 3,913 millimeters. Zero free lift, stable and safe in loading and unloading. Compact body, small turning radius, minimum 1,315 millimeters. Ideal for narrow all stacking and handling. Equipped with front and rear polyurethane wheels. We're less than greater than resistant, quiet, no damage to the floor. 24 volts battery system, optional lead acid, lithium, and gel battery. Stable power supply, long service time. Drive motor 0.75 to 1.5 kilowatts, lift motor to 0.2 kilowatts, strong power. Travel speed for 0.0 kilometers per hour unladen, gradability up to 5%. High efficiency, energy saving, safe and durable. Your best choice for lighting and medium-duty material handling.